So cure one, cure many. If we can cure one brain disease, we can cure another. A great example of that is spinal muscular atrophy, which used to be called floppy baby syndrome, has been cured with genetic treatments. And now those treatments are being used in certain kinds of muscular dystrophy. So we're seeing how, that it's not just one brain disease, it's going to affect many. The American Brain Foundation just made a $3 million grant to a team of researchers that is looking to find a way to diagnose Lewy body dementia early. Right now you can only diagnose it at autopsy. So interestingly enough, major Parkinson's funders and major Alzheimer's funders are very interested in this and have given a lot of money because Lewy bodies play a role, not just in Lewy body dementia, but in Parkinson's and in Alzheimer's. So that's an example of something we're doing right now. And then on the horizon is this neuroinflammation initiative I was mentioning before.